Hey guys, Colton here at Preferred Physical Therapy, where we help those 40 and above stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. Today, I'm going to show you an exercise that you can do to help you return to golf with less back pain. Why I really like this exercise is because I want to warm up those hips so we use our hip mobility and our hip stability rather than our low back. Now this is going to help warm that up so that way when you are on the course, you are using the proper techniques and getting those hips to move in the right direction. Hope it helps. Perfect. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you grab a golf club. Now I have our orange whip here, which has a little bit of a bend to it, so I won't put too much weight through it. However, you can do that here yourself. What I'm going to have you do to start, I want you to get into a good golf posture, right, where we're putting our hips back. We have a slight bend at the knees, but our back is nice and flat. From there, I want you to start just rotating those hips side to side. Now, why I have the arms down on the pole is because I want to make sure that you don't use your upper body, okay? I really just want the hips to turn side to side, okay? If this gets too easy, reduce the base of support that you have, still be in a good, almost golf posture, just a little bit less, and try the same thing. Okay. The last modification is to go on one leg and try the same thing as we come in through here. Making sure, again, we don't use that upper body to rotate. I typically like this for about 15 to 30 seconds to start with, and do that a couple of times just to get those hips to start moving. I hope this exercise helps you warm up your hips before you get onto the golf course and start swinging. Now, there were two modifications to that, the first one and the second one. So do what you can here at first, and if it works, go to the next one to work on your balance as well. If you guys have any other questions, please call us, subscribe, or email us about anything that you guys have questions on. Hope to see you guys again.